Hello, everybody. This is my student, Miss Lakin.
Hey.
And she is working on her journal today. So, before we get started, just a quick tip. This week's journal is going to be about tadpoles. So, I'm just going to do a little intro video on how we work with our students whenever they are writing journals. So, Miss Lakin, we are going to write a complete sentence telling us something about the tadpole. So, when you look at the tadpole, what is something that you can tell me about that tadpole?
The tadpole is fat.
It is. You're right. It is. So, let's think about that. The tadpole is fat. Does that sound like a complete sentence?
Yes, it does.
It does. It sure does. It is a complete sentence because you are stating in a complete sentence about the tadpole. So, when we write a complete sentence, what is the first thing that it has to have?
A capital letter.
A capital letter. So, let's go ahead and let's count how many words we are going to have in our sentence.
The tadpole is fat. We have
so
four.
we have 4 words. So, on your paper, I want you to make 4 blank spaces where you will be writing your 4 words in your sentence. Okay, and if you'll notice, Miss Lakin, in between your blanks, can you fit your finger in between there? You sure can. So the second rule when we are writing a complete sentence is that we have to make sure that it has finger space. So let's write the first word of your sentence.
The capital T.
Very good. Very good. The. Okay. Now, let's think about what was the second word in your sentence?
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Now, just in case we don't know how to spell a word, what's something that we should do?
Sound it out.
Sound it out. So let's sound out the word tadpole. Ready?
T.
Good.
Add a d.
Good.
O. And what makes that O say its name? The silent E. Magic E.
That's right. Good job. Now, what was your next word for your sentence?
Is. That's a sight word.
And students, remember your sight word chart. You can always use that to go back to learn to know how to spell your sight word. Now, what was your last word?
Fat.
All right, so let's sound that out.
Fa. Like a blend word. Fa.
Okay, now, Miss Lakin, do you want your sentence to be normal or exciting?
Exciting.
Okay, so if we want to put a punctuation mark at the end, what would we put for an exciting sentence?
An exclamation point.
An exclamation point. So let's go ahead and do that. Ready? Very good. So let's read your complete sentence using our exciting voice. Ready?
The tadpole is fat.
Very good. Now, Miss Lakin, can you draw me a picture of the tadpole that you were just looking at? Awesome job. Awesome job. Great job. So, parents, this is just a little idea of ways you can help your child at home whenever they have journal entries on Monday. And if you'll notice, when they do their journal entries, they will more than likely ask you what the date is at the top, because that is what we do every day in class. So,
Bye.